Are scratches affecting the watch's appearance? Replacing the screen is too expensive, but leaving it unfinished looks bad. Don't let small scratches block big business. Jiutu station polishing machine, specially designed for mobile phone and watch screen repair. Full repair process revealed. Step 1. Apply professional waterproof adhesive. Step 2. Enter UV curing lamp to protect the core components. Step 3. Activate polishing mode. Simultaneous refurbishment at all 4 stations. Allows for mass production, doubling profits. Finally, see the results. Scratches completely disappear, and the finish is in no way inferior to the original. Jiutu station polishing machine. Low cost, high efficiency, high return. Your screen refurbishment expert.